As human beings, you fall in love, and a big part of falling in love is, wow, let's have children together. Quite a few couples are like that. But then we overlook problems, and we go down the road of, well, we know this problem exists, but our our humanness says, well, maybe a child will fix this. So a lot of couples that are pregnant that come in that are having issues, the problem was there before the pregnancy. And now that there's a pregnancy, it is just 10 times worse. Because the pregnancy, as much as it was well-intentioned, of course, because, people want to have children and should if they want to, it's just amplifying what existed before.